Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you all are doing well. So into this video, I'm going to be bleaching and coloring my curly wig. So if you want to see and know how I did it, please keep watching. So right here, I'm adding some of the bleaching powder into the bowl, and I didn't do any measurement. I kind of eyeball it. So next, I'm gonna take the hydrogen peroxide. I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm going to be adding a little bit at a time. Add a little bit, mix it together. Add a little bit more, and then mix it together till I get it to my desired texture. It's still a bit too thick, so right now I'm going back in with adding a little bit more. So So I want the section on the front to be lighter than the rest of the hair. So right now I'm going ahead to section off that part, and I'm gonna go ahead and bleach this the front section first. So bleach it and then wrap it in the tin foil. And then after that, I'm gonna let it sit while I do the rest of the hair. So right now I'm going ahead to apply the bleach starting from the tip, and I'm working my way towards the root. So I didn't use any comb or brush for this hair, so I used my finger as brush to work in the bleach on the hair. And because of the hair is curly, I didn't want to mess up the curl texture by combing it, so I just used my finger as a comb. So right now I'm just going ahead to work in the bleach. So now that is done, I'm going ahead to wrap the hair in tin foil, so that after that I'm just going to let it sit aside. Next, I'm going ahead to work on the rest of the hair. Doing the same thing, applying the bleach on the side from the tip of the hair, then work my way towards the root, and also using my finger as a brush for the hair. So using the brush and whatever is left of the bleach, I'm just using that to coat the top of the hair, kind of to fade out the color, to give it the fade out ombre look. So next I'm going ahead to cover the hair. So I covered it after I applied the bleach. I went ahead and covered it and let it sit for about 25 minutes because I didn't want the color to be too bright. So if you want yours to be light in the mind, you can leave it for about 45 to 50 minutes. But mine, I want it to be like brown. The bleach hair, I want it to be brown, so that way when I add the other color, it won't be too light. So here, this is the after washing out the bleach, this is the color right here. So I'm just gonna dry it a little bit. So for this next step, I'm going to be mixing the two colors together, the crazy hair color and also the L'Oreal hair color. The crazy hair color is only one bottle and I only have one bottle. It won't be enough for the whole entire hair. So that's why I'm mixing both colors together. But first, I'm going to first of all go ahead and mix the L'Oreal hair color with the developer all together and mix it all together before going in with the Peacock blue. So right now I'm going ahead to add the Peacock blue. I'm just going to add it in and mix it all together. So alright, I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to start with the root, on the tip of the hair and then work my way towards the root of the hair. So for the root of the hair, I'm going in with the mist color. I'm going to apply it on the root of the hair to kind of fade from the dark color to the light color.
Your records and I'll torture your words and I guess you should have thought about the person that everything that makes me wrong. Remember I'll leave in the ashes, leaving in the ashes.
So after applying the hair color, I went ahead and cover it and let it sit for 45 minutes. So right now I'm going to take out the cover and wash out the color. So I've washed out the hair color, so this is the finished results right here. The hair is wet, so the color will show more once it's fully dry. So right here the hair is fully dry.
Me out my see the look in my eye means no more us, means goodbye. It means the open road all the way home, with nothing left, nothing left, nothing left but smoke.
So here is the final result. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.